LG television. Now this goes inside this, and this completely goes inside the television. Yeah, this is locked, and there are two screws, 2 to 4 screws, whichever you want, you can connect it. Okay. So I fixed one screw. This is the second screw. LG 42-inch LN. This is the model number, serial number of my television. This is made in India. Nice build quality. I have fixed almost all screws. Now I am going to fix the power cable here. It has a basic AC in power cable, which is like any adapter of laptop. Okay. This is the So this is the power cable. This goes inside this. This is fixed. There are many power cable management system also here. You can arrange in this way. Okay. So I'm going to fix this television now on my table. Moment. I know मेरे को कोई देखना नहीं चाहता, सब टीवी देखना चाहते हैं. Okay, so this is almost done. Now I'm going to plug in, and the first time I'm going to start this television.
DTH fix करो.
Yes.
What?
This is my DTH, and this will go in. This FR, this will be going. I'm going to fix it. Okay, let's fix it. It's connected. Now, I'm just turning on the power. You can see this power.
Remote में cell डाल दो.
I'll switch off the light. This is the power. Okay, there are a few keys here. I'm going to start with this right now. I just got a message from my friend on my WhatsApp. He's congratulating me. Yeah, this is the remote control. I got to Rocket Battery. I don't know the name of this company. Rocket Battery. Let's cut this out. See, these are the battery, very cheap battery, but that's okay. I have to anyhow change it to the Duracell or some other company's battery. Connected. This has good idea. Okay, it doesn't lose easily because it is always fixed. Started. Let's see on this side. Oh wow, cool man. So it was much more clear than what I have seen in the store. Welcome. Let me search for the OK button. I have an English language. Okay, I am belonging from India, and this is for home entertainment. Right now I don't have any connection, so I am going to skip it. Okay, skip this. Okay, Yes, I don't have antenna for television, so I'm going to set up this later on. Okay, yes, I have fixed a few many things. Now this setup is completed. This is amazing. TV देखिए. So I have to change my source. वो टीवी के पीछे रिफ्लेक्शन नहीं आना चाहिए इधर से.
आ ही रहा है तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं.
थोड़ा पीछे आओ. अरे पीछे.
हमारा रिफ्लेक्शन आ ही रहा है.
अच्छा लाइट चालू कर देते हैं. थोड़ा पीछे आइए. Now let me change the source, input source, component. Yeah, my DTH is not start. Let's start with DTH center. This is DTH. It's just checking all the settings. There may be some connection, loose connection, so that's the reason it is showing black and white, or might be my cable is not perfect. Okay, so I'm pausing this video right now. I'll fix it and I'll get back to you. Yeah. So this is what I fixed it. There was a wrong connection because there are many AV port back of the television. Now I'm getting very clear picture. Okay, let's see the smart feature of the television. Okay, there is. Yeah, this is the license agreement. We have to accept it. Wow. See, this has a very nice feature where on the one side you can see your whole television going on, and you can see all the premium service, smart share, and rest of the services. Okay, there is LG smart recent list. Okay, user guide, smart share, and rest whole lot of features. Okay, yes, great. I hope you people will like this video. In future I will come with more updates of this television. Let me explore this television. Thank you for watching.